Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can stop applications from running in our background in our Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices. So stopping the applications from running in the background lets our computer to run faster, and also it releases the load from our CPU in our device. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is to go to our settings, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to settings options, or simply making a click here in the Windows icon. You will able to see the settings option, and also you can make a search here in the Windows search tab and type settings, and from the best match you will be seeing settings option, so please click on that to open, and then you will now be able to see the settings option window. So in here you will be looking for privacy and security from the left pane. So just scroll down, and at the bottom part you will see privacy and security, so please click on that. And in here you will see security section, the Windows permission section, and the app permission. So in here, in this last section, we will be changing some settings here. So I recommend that you check each of these applications permission to turn off the access whenever you're not using them or whenever they're unnecessary. So please check this first one, and then you can turn this off by clicking this button here, and this will turn off location for anyone using the device. So just turn off the application that you're not using, that you're not currently using, and then once you're done with this one, and you can also choose the apps that can access your location. So for example, you're not using your camera, so just turn off all the applications that you're not currently using, and then you can go back and then do the same process with all the other applications here. For example, the camera, you can turn this off, and you can also choose the applications that can access your camera, even the desktop applications. Okay, so you can do the same process with all of the applications here. Proceed with each of everyone, and once you do that, you will be able now to see you will now be able to see a great change in your device. You will now be able to see that the computer or your device is now running faster than before. Okay, so that's it. Just make a quick restart with your device, and then you're good to go. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.